Alright, here I am, way at the bottom. This is the running water that I've been hearing since we moved in. So it's right at the bottom of this way. Let's see, let me point toward the house here. Yeah, barely see it through there, but down, and yeah, quite a bit of area here, and lots and lots of trees, and heading back up toward the house. So wow, I don't know if this is one of the biggest trees on the lot or not, but it goes way up there. Can't really tell you how thick and wide it is. These have got to be about a yard across. And there you can see the house down quite a ways from the house here. So as I'm walking up the hill here, it's like someone actually drove a vehicle down here. There's some, it's like a log that's fallen over here. Bunches of branches and branches and more branches. Whew. So, here we are at the back side of the house. Yeah, hoping to just kind of find out what's available here at the house, what we can do with it. Possibly running kettlebells or just different little obstacles that we might be able to, looking for some trees to put up a pull-up bar, and these two look to be just about the right distance apart, but I can put at least one up there. And here's the back porch again that we saw from the other direction. So like that's pretty big. That's probably closer to 4 feet. That one was the one that I looked way up last time. So, well, it's another new day. God bless, and may the Lord bless and keep you.